how will we come up to polynomial with roots as given? So we have here, find the quadratic polynomial with a root of 2 and 5. Okay, so by definition, roots are numerical values of a variable that makes a polynomial to 0. Okay, and for root to become polynomial, we must convert first it to its factor form. Now, the factors are the multiples of polynomial that when combined will equate to the said polynomial. Now, how do we convert 2 and 5 to factor? Okay, we have factor theorem. If f of c is equal to 0, therefore x minus c is a factor. Now, let's say, now, it said that the 2 and 5 are the root. Therefore, if we input 2 and 5 to a polynomial, then it equates to 0. Okay, therefore we can substitute c for 2 equal to 0. Also, c for 5 equal to 0. Now, using this format, we can say that f minus 2 is a factor of a polynomial and x minus 5 is a factor of polynomial. Now we have the two factors. We can now multiply it. Now let's first solve the x and x, or first part. We have x squared, outer part negative 5x, middle part or inner part, that is negative 2x, and negative 10 times negative 5, that is positive 10. Combine like terms, we will have x squared minus 7x plus 10. So this is our roots, or the quadratic polynomial with 2 and 5 as given. Okay, so let's try another roots, but this time it will be cubic. So what if we have a root of negative 1, 3, and 4? So what is the polynomial? Now again, we will first equate these roots to its factor form. Since this is roots, we can just use this format. Now let's substitute negative 1 first. X minus negative 1, that is x plus 1. Let's substitute 3. Okay, x minus c, which is 3. This is our factor. Then 4, x minus 4. So this is our factors, but we are not done yet. Okay, because we will multiply it to find the polynomial, since this is our just factors. Now we'll multiply x plus the value of x plus 1 times the value of x minus 3 times the value of x minus 4. Let's first solve this. Okay, so x squared, x times negative 3, negative 3x, positive 1 times x is positive x, and positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, combine like terms, we will have x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now the remaining part, which is x minus 4, multiply. So x squared times x, that is x cubed, x squared times negative 4, that is negative 4x squared, negative 2x times x, that is negative 2x squared, negative 2x times negative 4, that is negative 8x. Now negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative, oh wait a minute, this is positive pala. Okay, because negative 2 times negative 4 is positive. Okay, now negative 3 times negative 4, that is positive 12. So let's combine like terms. Now there are only x raised to 3 here, or there is only term that is raised to 3 here, which is this. So let's just copy that. Now there are two term with so exponent of 2. Now let's combine them. So negative 4x squared minus negative 2x squared. So combining, okay, negative 4x squared minus 2x squared. Okay, so this will become positive and this will become negative. So negative 4x squared plus negative 2x squared, that is negative 6x squared. So negative 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x is just negative 5x. Okay, plus 12. So this is our polynomial for these roots. So that's how you find polynomial with roots as given.